That final dab might have taken the cake.
So here's Luna watching Charlie Yeager's on YouTube. She's dancing with him. Where are you going? Are you done dancing now, baby? Ouch! Is it done?
That started off with some real next level stuff. And then it got a little funky.
Funky my little magnet.
Oh God. Whoa. You got some moves. Uh-oh. No more dancing.
Ice cream cookie. Wait, did you just say Aussie?
I won't stop dancing to the song. She makes me rewind. Must be rewinded every single time. While those teas over here eating the plastic.
For this competition, it is last to eat the ice cream sandwich.
Again. Are you tired of this song already? Oh my gosh, what was I thinking when I put this on?
Ice cream first receives a...
Might have to rewind this a million times. What are you doing, handsome? Huh? You wanna dance too? Ew! Luna! Dance! Just in case anybody's wondering, we normally have this big old TV in our bedroom, but we wanted to bring it in here to play video games, and I just haven't put it back up yet.
For this competition, it is last to eat the ice cream sandwich, which means
Hey,
you have to eat your ice
what are
cream
you doing, handsome?
really slow. The person that finishes their ice cream
Babe,
first receives a
What if we get-
punishment for our final and last.
what if we find another song?
Wins this
I can't listen to the song a million times over. I don't even know where to stop this at. Oh God. Right there. The house is a mess. I still have to clean. Bum, bum. The crazy thing is, Linda hasn't even watched this YouTube channel in months, and then all of a sudden today it's on, and now she won't quit making me rewind it. Aw, sister and brother love.
Sandwich, which means you have to eat your ice cream really slow.
And then there's Dad.
The person that finishes their ice cream first receives
Hey,
a punishment
what are you doing?
for our final and last game. And the person that wins this competition gets to pick our last game.
Wait, who received the punishment in the last competition?
Steven, your punishment is you only get half
Hey.
an ice cream sandwich.
Hey, what are you doing?
Get set. Go!
You want to drink your water? Drink your water.
Delicious.
It's gonna be hard.
Wanna say mama?
Delicious.
Mama?
Hard.
Mommy?
Finishing.
Mommy? Normally he growls at me. He growled at me all night last night. Are you a monster?
So good.
Are you a monster?
That's not good.
Oh! Look at his Blippi toys he got for his birthday.
I didn't lose.
He's got 3 of these. Red and blue ones.
Looks like it's man.
Then he got the Blippi doll.
It's melting.
I know. Which I want to get him the costume for Halloween too. Son, what do you think? What is your opinion on these Blippi toys?
For the last game of the night, we're gonna do it.
Kenji!
It's
Kenji! Kenji!
The
What do you like
rules
about
are
this
you
doll?
must make your bed completely,
Anything?
and it must be mom quality.
You gotta give him a break. He can't talk
The
yet.
first person to make their bed mom quality.
I'm gonna do a segment where it's
And the winner of
Uh,
the competition
Kenji's toy review
is to sleep
on Blippi
in their
dolls and
bedroom
stuff.
for the first night.
Kenji!
But Taylor, you have a
What is your opinion on
you can't start
Blippi?
making your bed until you have recited the entire alphabet.
Nothing? I'm expecting too much out of this kid. This is her day. Watching YouTube. This is his day. Poking himself in the eye with his baby food. I already fed him a bunch. He just likes playing with us. Okay. Kenji! Kenji! You're so cute!
I can't stand this shit.
Kenji! You gonna take the camera.
Ah,
Ah! 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 Yeah!
I'm done.
Nah! Woo!
I'm stuck.
Woo! I love you. Mwah. Mwah.
And the winner of the bed making competition is
Luna,
I gotta sleep in my
are you done with this yet? No.
Goodbye, guys.
Come on, guys. You want to go meet the birds? They'll allow it. I got to clean the cages. You need to sing.
Yeah.
Sing what? Oh my gosh, again? Alright, so every single day this bird cage has to be cleaned. This one and this one. Every single day. They make the biggest messes. This right here, I'm going to introduce you to their birds. So, this dark one right here is Stormy. She is not that old. Neither one of them are very old. They're barely 2 months, if that. But we named the darker one Stormy and the other one Sky. Sky is usually a lot better, but not when she's near the cage. When she's near the cage, she wants to be in the cage. And I've tried to let them both be free all over the house, but they just love their cage so much, and I don't know why. Come on, Stormy. Stormy! Okay. On some days they're really good about letting me hold them and sit on my shoulders, and it's really cute and relaxing. But most of the time they just want to be on this cage. And then we got the finches, Willow and Haze. Willow's the white one, and Haze is gray and orange one, or whatever you want to call him. And he's a jerk. He pulls out all the feathers. We got Stormy and Sky like to sit on their cage too, to kind of have a conversation, like having a social distance party, because I don't let them in the same cage because of Haze. Haze likes to pull feathers. He is a feather plucker. And is that right? Oh, that's scary, you babe. Oh my gosh. Well, about that time of the day again. Gotta clean the cage, change the bottom, change all the waters, change all the foods, wash this thing because they poop all over that all the time, every single day. These guys, I mean, they really don't even make that big of a mess. They mostly just have the seed shells on my food container. I fill that all the way up past that gray mark, and they eat it down to there, and then all the shells they throw to the bottom. So, and then there's some snacks. They love playing with this toy right here, and they love playing with this one down here. But all these other toys seem to be pretty useless. I spent $8 on this thing, and they don't even touch it. Hey. I gave them a bath yesterday. I let them get in the water in the sink, and they just kind of, I'd like to say Stormy had a blast, because she was going in and out of the water, but afterwards they kind of sat there like I'd forced them or something. Whereas Sky was just a little more like just sitting there in the sink, like, please don't bait me. They're beautiful little birdies, I think. But I'm really wanting to get a different kind of bird other than just a budgerigar or a simple finch. Which finches, to me, like, they're just there. They don't want you touching them. They don't want you playing with them. I tried, like, if I open up the cage to clean it, and they'll try to get out. But if I leave the cage open just to leave it open, they don't try to get out at all. It's weird. Whereas these guys, I give them the ability to come out whenever they want. I usually just leave the door open, and they don't come out. They won't come out. You have to force them. It's crazy. But yeah, there you go. Sky, Stormy, Willow, and Hayes. Those are the birdies. And then we got Peanut and Little Bit, or also known as Old Man and Little Man. RV life. Sky. Sky. You're my baby. Can I touch you? Can I touch you? Oh, come on. They usually will let me play with them if I take them out of the bedroom where they cannot see the cage. Okay, if they can't see the cage, they're loving. If they see the cage, they're shy and don't want to be touched. So, yeah, we'll keep working with these guys. Alright guys, if you ever wanted to see what a 4-year-old looks like with bird fever, we got Stormy up here, and Sky down here. It's not raining. Are you happy? Are you happy you're the bird kid? You want me to get the birds off of you? Are you scared? You don't want the birds on your head?
Mommy.
Birds on my head, but don't call me a bird head. Uh-oh. Look
Oh my god.
Whoa, it has another crazy lock on it. All right, let's put this treasure chest for
You want to know me, Sky? Come on. Come on. Come on, Sky. Alright. Is that better? What are you guys doing? My camera's obviously dirty because you can barely see anything. These are my beauties. My precious little birds. Earlier, I had tried to get them out to let them play, and Kenji smacked poor Sky. I wasn't expecting it, so I wasn't really prepared to deal with it. And I thought Sky was not going to let me hold her anymore, but she's doing good. Kenji, come here. Look what Mommy's got. Mommy's got 2 birds. What's mommy got? What's mommy got? Oh. Oh, lordy. What are you doing, child? Here we go. So we had to stop filming for a second. Kenji decided he was going to climb all over me real quick. Stormy! I'm going to show everybody how you walk off the silly walker on this dog cage. Then we got Sky over there. Up there. Perching on this thing. Oh, God. Are y'all calling to each other? Huh? What are you doing with the balloons? And what are you doing with baby food? Oh no! None of them are paying any attention to me. I think I need to get a life, huh? Hey babies! What are you guys doing? What, babe? Oh, Phoebe's trying to read what I say. Oh, no, Kenji's got the remote. He's the culprit. Oh my gosh, she's done went and stole the remote. Ah. Oh my god, he's gonna dump the water. He's gonna dump the water. There. Well. Oh, okay, it's enough. I got it.
Absolutely no kids will be allowed in the master basketball course. Just
Alright. And if you're wondering, how come every vlog you really see no dogs? That's because I let them stay outside. It's a beautiful day. They got a cage outside. They got the bed, water, food, toys. This is the outside of our camper, guys. We never go out there, really. Oh god. Well, we do sometimes. We just haven't really lately. Peanut, old man, little bits. I should probably leave them alone before they think they're coming in. Alright, now I got Kenji crawling up on the trash. Kenji! Hey! Oh, so today we actually are starting out our trial on ABC Mouse. I made a profile for both Luna and Kenji, although Luna's the only one who's tried it so far. And so, when she first started, she didn't like it. She thought it was just a coloring game. But then she started really getting excited over winning those tickets. And so I was trying to make her get more excited too about the tickets, and was just like freaking out every time she could get some. So we're trying that. What do you think about ABC Mouse? You like it? Is it fun? Are you learning anything? Okay. Have you learned anything? What did you learn? What have you learned so far? You don't know what you've learned so far? What have you learned so far? A is for apple. Alright. Let's be careful. Hey. I was watching old videos today of you guys. Well, of you, Luna. And it made me want to cry because you were so little. And I noticed how dark the old videos were. They were so dark. They had absolutely no lighting. Alright, well, I don't know if we're going to film anymore today. or if we're just going to end it here. So I'm just going to say this might be the end for the day. Just because I would like to get some of this on the vlog and get this off my phone so we don't have too much space, because all my SD cards are completely filled from the last 4 years of our life. You want to do your hand one last time?
We're going to have a fridge, it's going to have drinks, it's going to be kind of like a concession area outside of actual movie theater. And we're going to have a popcorn machine. And there's my favorite.
Oh my god!
Completely skipped my hand, honey.
Okay, so it's this part of the house that I like.
Alright.
Know.
Want to say bye?
Awesome.
Want to say bye?
No!
Can we say bye?
No!
Want to say bye?
No!
Alright. Today, we learned ABC Mouse. And, introduce the birds to you. God, oh God, I'll get, help me. Oh God, I'm back. What's going on in the rest of the world? This bird's looking at me like, what are you doing? Kenji, help me, Kenji. Oh God, Kenji. Kenji, help me.
I got you!
Oh God. Kenji! Oh my God, you're gonna hurt me. Kenji! Help! Help me, Kenji! Oh God! Somebody help me! This child is evil! Why are you so evil, kid?
I did the office!
Miraculous something. Jesus, we watched every episode of Miraculous in the last week. Every episode. Yeah! And I can't remember Miraculous something, whatever the heck this was. Oh God, you're gonna break my neck! Oh! Oh my God! Okay, alright, we'll see you next time.
No!
Bye!
No!
Oh my God, you're hurting me! Oh, it might not be next time! Oh!
No!
Bye!
No!
Say I'll see you next time.
No!
Say subscribe!
No!
Say like and subscribe.
No!
You you don't want to be like the Sonic family?
No!
Girls, what are you
You can't!
You don't want to be like the Sonic family?
come and show you guys a little bit of what
Oh, that Ryan!